Right, okay, welcome to the Mini Cooper. This is the one we've collected recently, and I was actually away snowboarding, so I haven't had a chance to get looking at it. So pretty much this is how I've got it back. It did have the airbags replaced already by the previous guy, and you've seen in the pictures, the rest of the car is all in very good condition. Apart from here, where it had an impact with a deer, I believe. And I've actually stripped the airbox out here, but it's running and driving, and you actually have to strip this all out to get the battery replaced. So because it's been sitting for a while, I'm going to replace the battery. And damage, we've got an intercooler damaged, the radiator's bent but still holding water. And then what's missing off the front here, which the previous guy took off, was the air conditioning radiator. So I'm going to get the battery into it. I've managed to source a bonnet. I'll stick it on today just to make sure it's a second-hand bonnet, just to make sure it fits up. Also sourced a headlight and a few of the front end parts. Basically there's just a front panel runs from here across, and a couple of brackets and bars, and basically then just the bumper. So all in all, it's actually quite easy fix salvage. It's just the problem is getting second-hand parts because they're so popular, and most of them unfortunately are hitting the front. So just a wee introduction, and I'll come back in a wee second now once we've got the battery and things in and the bonnet on. Right, okay, a wee bit further on. So battery's fitted back in, and that's everything working. And we've also removed the bonnet. So you can see here, mainly the impact was here in this corner. And from this side it looked pretty untouched. So we'll get the second-hand bonnet fitted on, make sure that it all lines up and that the hinge is going to be straight. This one I would suspect might need to be replaced, but we'll put it on and have a wee look and see. It should definitely improve the looks anyway. Okay, a couple of minutes later, and as they say, a new second-hand bonnet, which when lined up it's actually going to be 100% with the hinges. It's perfect with that headlight. We haven't had to adjust it, and then obviously this headlight's not there to line it up. So this bonnet actually has a wee bit of damage here, and there's a few sort of ripple marks across, so we'll repair that so that it's all perfect. But so far so good. I also have a bumper here, so maybe try the bumper on as well, see what we'll have. Right, okay, just to purely give you an idea what it's going to look like. So that's the bonnet on, and the bumper is literally just sitting on, just to give you an idea. So all we're missing is, well, we're not missing, it's in the back of the car. Plastic trim liner goes over here, headlight, obviously the components for the bumper, grills, fog lights, still have to source them, and again a grill over the top. So as I say, this is purely just to give you a look to see. Two parts, and that's the whole front of the car replaced and all the damaged bits replaced. So we'll move on a wee bit. I'll get some more bits and pieces, and then we'll come back to you with the progress on that.